Hello students, let us find the solution of all questions taken from exercise number 5.1, that is application of definite integral. Here in question number 3, that is first question, we have to find the area enclosed by the curves. There are two curves. First one is y square is equal to 2x and the second one is y is equal to 2x. And we know that the first curve, that is y square is equal to 2x, is the parabola. That is y square is equal to 4ax is the equation of parabola symmetric with the positive x-axis. Positive x-axis, and the second curve, that is the line y is equal to 2x, and we know that y is equal to mx plus c is the equation of a line having slope intercept form. Here y is equal to 2x, that is there is no any constant term, means y is equal to 2x is the line passing through the origin, since there is no any constant term. Okay, clear? So y is equal to 2x is the line and y square is equal to 2x is the parabola symmetric with the positive x-axis. Okay, let us draw the graph of these two curves. Okay, students, we know that this one is our x-axis, second one is y-axis, and the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is known as the origin. Now we have y square is equal to 2x. If we compare this equation with y square is equal to 4ax, okay, y square is equal to 4ax, that is the equation of parabola symmetric with the positive x-axis, means ऐसा. This one is our parabola and the equation of this parabola is given as y square is equal to 2x. Clear? And the second line, that is y is equal to 2x, is the equation of a line passing through the origin. Kyun? Since this line have no any constant term. We know that y is equal to mx plus c. C is the constant term. If c is missing, that is if c is equal to 0, then we have y is equal to mx, that is the equation of a line passing through the origin. constant term नहीं है, means passing through the origin. अब यहाँ पे क्या है? We have y is equal to 2x, that is equation. यहाँ तो ये फिक्स हो गया कि वह this line is always passing through the origin. Let this line is passing through the origin as like this. Okay, ये रहा आपका line. इसका इक्वेशन क्या है? That is y is equal to 2x. Clear? We have to find the area enclosed between two given curves, that are y square is equal to 2x and y is equal to 2x. यहाँ पे मतलब हमें एक एरिया चाहिए. दिस वन इज द शेडेड एरिया. ओके, जो शेडेड एरिया है हमें उसका एरिया चाहिए. शेडेड रीजन है, हमें उसी का एरिया चाहिए. वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन विच इज इनक्लोज्ड बिटवीन गिवन टू कर्व्स. y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2x एंड y इज इक्वल टू 2x. ठीक है, लेट अस फाइंड द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ दीज टू कर्व्स. सिंस वी हैव टू फाइंड द रेंज, on x axis or on y axis. I want to find the range, that is x is x, the limits of x, that is lower limit and upper limit. And if I want to find the range on x axis, so we have to draw a perpendicular from the point of intersection of these two curves. Let the point of intersection of these two curves is P. So the x coordinate of P is OM. OM is the x coordinate of point P and PM is the y coordinate, that is OM and PM. Clear? OM and PM. OM is the x coordinate of point P and PM is the y coordinate of point P, and P is the point of intersection of these two curves, that is y square is equal to 2x, which is a parabola symmetric with x-axis, and y is equal to 2x is the straight line passing through the origin. So first of all we have to find OM and PM. कैसे मिलेगा? Since P is the point of intersection, if we solve these two equations, we get point P, that is x and y. Okay, let us find the solution of these two curves. Okay, since y square is equal to 2x, equation number first, and y is equal to 2x, equation number 2, we have to solve these two equations. क्यों solve करना है? Since these two curves are intersecting with each other. Okay, clear? So if we put y is equal to 2x from equation number 2 in equation 1, we get 2x to the whole square is equal to 2x. क्लियर? y के प्लेस पे हम क्या पुट कर दिए? 2x सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिए, तो we get 2x and 2x, that is 1, let us solve it. 4x square is equal to 2x, 2 to the 4, okay, 2 to the 4, x and x get cancelled, we have 2x is equal to 1. क्लियर? 2 to the 4 और x स्क्वायर तो कट गया, दैट इज x, यहाँ क्या बच गया? 1. सो x इज इक्वल टू 1/2. सो इफ x is equal to 1/2, then from equation number 2 we find y is equal to 2 into x, x means 1/2, that is 1. So y is equal to 1. So if x is half, then y is 1, that is उसका double. So OM becomes 1/2 and PM becomes 1. So P coordinate of P are 1/2 and और क्या? That is 1. So PM is the coordinates of M. Since M lie on the x-axis, so coordinates of point M are 1/2 and 0. Okay. So we get the range, that is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 1/2. 1/2 is the value of x, that is x coordinate. Point 0 क्यों? Since point M lie on the y-axis, so its y coordinate is always 0. Okay. So we get x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1/2. Let us find the area covered by y square. y square is equal to 2x, that is a वाला एरिया. अगर हम a वाला एरिया फाइंड आउट कर लें, आप मेरा पेन देख ही रहे हो कहाँ से कहाँ तक जा रहा, दैट इज a1. सो a1 इज द एरिया कवर्ड बाय द पैराबोला y square is equal to 2x. a1 एरिया मैंने किसको कंसिडर किया? a1 is the area of the region covered by x is equal to 0 and x is equal to यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक and made by and covered by y square is equal to 2x. Okay, एरिया a1 किसने बनाया? a1 is the region covered by y square is equal to 2x and x is equal to 0 से लेकर के x is equal to half तक, a वाला यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक a1 बनाया. Okay, let us find the area a1. a1 is equal to, since here x is equal to 0 to x is equal to half, the range of or the limits of x are given, so we have to write dx here and here we have to write y. Okay, यहाँ पे y लिखना पड़ेगा and we have to we have to integrate with respect to x. Okay, and this one is equal to 0 to half और y का वैल्यू यहाँ से, y कौन देगा? जो कर्व बनाया है, that is जो एरिया ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ कर्व, y is calculated from the equation of curve. Here y is equal to under root of 2x dx. Y square is equal to 2x, so y is equal to under root of 2x. We get under root of 2 and यहाँ से लेकर के 0 से लेके हाफ तक और यहाँ बच गया root of x dx. Okay, अंडर रूट ऑफ 2 फ्रॉम 0 to 1/2 ऑफ अंडर रूट ऑफ x dx। क्लियर? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एनी प्रॉब्लम? और अब यहाँ से क्या कर सकते हो, चलो मैं यहाँ पे सॉल्व कर देता हूँ। इस पे इसका प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, दैट इज़ अंडर रूट 2 इसके ऊपर। क्लियर? अंडर रूट 2। और वी नो दैट इंटीग्रल ऑफ ऐसा इंटीग्रल ऑफ x टू द पावर n dx इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है, x पावर n+1 होता है और n+1 प्लस c होता है। ओके तो यहाँ पे n क्या है, 1/2 है। सो वी गेट n/2 दैट इज 1/2 प्लस 1 अपॉन 1/2 प्लस 1 फ्रॉम 0 to हाफ। आ गया समझ में? c प्लस c तो लिखना नहीं है क्योंकि बाद में वो 0 हो जाता है। ठीक है, रूट एक्स मीन्स x टू द पावर 1/2। रूट एक्स मतलब वो कैसा है, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेडिकेंड। वो रेडिकेंड फॉर्म में है, वी हैव टू फाइंड इन इट इट्स इंडेक्स फॉर्म। क्यों? क्योंकि हमें ये फार्मूला यूज़ करना जिससे से आपको समझ में आ जाए। तो ये कितना हुआ, अंडर रूट ऑफ 2x टू द पावर 3/2 अपॉन 3/2 फ्रॉम 0 to 1/2 वी गेट अंडर रूट 2 इंटू 2 अपॉन 3, 1 upon 3/2 1 डिवाइड बाई 3/2 दैट इज 2/3 और x to the power 3/2 from 0 to 1/2 and we get that is 2√2 upon 3 x के प्लेस पे अपर लिमिट दैट इज 1/2 to the power 3/2। ठीक है, 2√2 upon 3 into 2√2 ऑफ 2√2 अपॉन 3 इंटू 1/2 टू द पावर 3/2। और आप इसे क्या लिख सकते हो, यू कैन राइट इट एज 2√2 अपॉन 3 इंटू 1/2 इंटू 1/2 टू द पावर 1/2। है समझ में? 1/2 3/2 का मतलब क्या है, इसका मतलब है 1/2 इंटू 1/2 पावर 1/2। ये पावर 1 है, पावर 1/2 है। इंडाइसेस आर एडेड ऑफ सेम बेस। अगर बेस सेम होता है तो उनके इंडिविजुअल इंडाइसेस इंडेक्स ऐड हो जाते हैं। तो 1/2 बेस है, बेस सेम है, पावर 1 है, पावर 1/2 है, तो 1 + 1/2 क्या होता है, 3/2 हो जाता है। तो यहाँ पे मैंने इसको ब्रेक कर दिया। क्यों ब्रेक किया, जिससे हमें कुछ तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन मिल जाए। 2/2 गेट कैंसिल्ड, यहाँ √2 है, ये भी तो √2 ही है, मतलब √2 अपॉन 3, √2 अपॉन यहाँ पे √2 था, √2 और यहाँ 2 तो कट गया। 1/2 मीन्स क्या, 1 अपॉन √2। क्लियर? आया समझ में? एक कट गया, बचा क्या, 1/3। ओके सो एरिया A1 मिला, A1 इज 1/3। सो एरिया इनक्लोज्ड बाई द फर्स्ट कर्व दैट इज पैराबोला, वो कितना था, कितना आया, 1/3। ओके लेट अस फाइंड द एरिया इनक्लोज्ड बाई सेकेंड कर्व। चलो मैं यहाँ पे करता हूँ। ठीक है, आया समझ में सब अच्छे से? तो ये हो गया आपका 1/2 इंटू 1/2 कट गया पूरा अच्छे से, 2√2 अपॉन 3, 1/2 रखा, -0 तो 0 ही होगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। और x 1/2 टू द पावर 3/2 मीन्स 1/2 इंटू 1/2 पावर 1/2, 2 और 2 गेट कैंसिल्ड, √2 अपॉन 3, 1/2 मीन्स √2 कट गया, क्या बचा, 1/3। अब हमें क्या चाहिए, एरिया इनक्लोज्ड बाई A2। अब देखो जरा A2 क्या है, A2 कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे, A2 इज द एरिया, A2 इज द एरिया कवर्ड बाय द सेकेंड कर्व। यहाँ देखो A2 यहाँ से, A2 यहाँ बना, ये जो मैंने ऐसा लाइन खींच रहा हूँ ये A2 है, ये बन गया A2। सो A2 इज द एरिया कवर्ड बाय द लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द ओरिजिन दैट इज y इज इक्वल टू 2x। y इज इक्वल टू 2x ने वो एरिया कवर्ड किया, वह रीजन बनाया। यहाँ से देखो ऐसा, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक। अब इसका और क्या है, x इज इक्वल टू 0 टू x इज इक्वल टू हाफ, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक। और इस कर्व ने बनाया, कर्व कैसा है, लाइन है। तो उसको हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं। कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे, दैट इज A2, एरिया ऑफ A2 कवर्ड बाय द सेकेंड लाइन ओके, सो A2 इज इक्वल टू, A2 कैसे आएगा, वैसे ही आएगा जैसे भी लास्ट टाइम किया था, दैट इज x इक्वल टू 0 टू हाफ, और यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है आपको, dx, यहाँ पे आएगा y। ओके, आया समझ में, एज अ प्रीवियस। रेंज क्या है, x इक्वल टू 0 टू x इक्वल टू हाफ, आपको dx लिखना है और यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, y। सो x इज इक्वल टू 0 टू हाफ और y मीन्स द इक्वेशन ऑफ कर्व, दैट इज ए लाइन पासिंग थ्रू द ओरिजिन, वो कितना है, y इज इक्वल टू 2x है, तो यहाँ पे आएगा 2x dx, 2 बाहर चला गया, इंटीग्रल फ्रॉम 0 टू हाफ x dx, एंड दिस वन इज इक्वल टू ट्वाइस ऑफ इंटीग्रल ऑफ x विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, मतलब x टू द पावर 1, वी गेट x स्क्वायर अपॉन 2 फ्रॉम 0 टू 1 by 2, 0 to 1 by 2, we get twice 2 and 2 get cancelled, we get x power 2 from 0 to 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 to the whole square minus 0 square, we get 1 by 4। ये रहा है आपका A2, okay, but we have to find the area between these two curves, so we get area, we have to find area of region covered by, covered between these two curves, these two given curves A, let that is A, उसको आप A assume कीजिए, so A is equal to A1 minus A2, A1 is 1 by 3, A2 is 1 by 4, that is 4 minus 3 upon 12, that is 1 upon 12, ये रहा है आपका आंसर, दैट इज स्क्वायर यूनिट। ओके, इस तरीके से आप अपना आंसर कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो, ठीक है, एनी डाउट। तो 1 upon 12 इज द स्क्वायर यूनिट, इज द एरिया ऑफ द area between these two curves. Next question is we have to find the area covered by the parabola, that is y is equal to x square and y is equal to m of x, sorry mx. So y is equal to mx is the equation of a line passing through the origin. Since there is no any constant term, यहाँ constant term नहीं है, so we can say y is equal to m of x, y is equal to m into x is the line passing through the origin से वह पास होगा, ठीक है। और y is equal to x square is the equation of parabola, क्यों, since we know that x square is equal to 4ay, this is the equation of parabola. It is a parabola which is symmetric with the positive y axis, if we compare these two, okay, x square 4ay, that is we have given x square is equal to y, is the equation of parabola which is symmetric with the positive y axis, okay। So if we draw a graph ऐसा, तो ये रहा है आपका ग्राफ, इसका इक्वेशन क्या है, दैट इज एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू वाई, क्लियर। ये रहा आपका पॉजिटिव वाई एक्सिस, पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस, नेगेटिव एज यू नो। ये आपका वर्टेक्स ऑफ द पैराबोला, ये अब यहाँ पे वाई डैश, ये समझिए एक्स डैश, क्लियर हो गया। नाउ the y is equal to m of x is the equation of parabola which is the equation of a line which is passing through the origin. Let this one is passing through the origin ऐसा, this is y is equal to mx, y is equal to mx is the line, okay। We have to find the area enclosed between these two curves. Let this one is A, okay, area A is the area of the region enclosed between these two curves. These two curves means y square is equal to, sorry, x square is equal to y and y is equal to m x, First of all, we have to find the coordinate of point, the coordinates of point of intersection of these two curves. Let that this is P. Okay, so if we join PM, let this is M. Clear? So OM is the y coordinate. OM is the y coordinate of point P. That is ये यहाँ पे आएगा OM और ये रहेगा MP. Okay, MP is the x coordinate. MP is the x coordinate of point of intersection of these two curves, that is P, and OM is the y coordinate. Since the point M is lie on the y axis and the given curve is the symmetric with y axis, so we have to find the range of y. That is, we have to find the limits of y. Clear? So if we solve these two curves, we get the MP and OM, that is x coordinate and y coordinate of point P. कैसे solve करेंगे? Since y is equal to x square and y is equal to mx, so substitute the value of y from the line, that is m of x, in y is equal to x square. We get m square x square, mx single, not squaring, y यहाँ पे mx is equal to x square, y is equal to x square, y is equal to mx. तो x and x get cancelled, we get m is equal to x is equal to m, then y is equal to y is m into m, we get y is m square. Y is m square. So we get o x means m, a m हो जाएगा, और y means o m, a बन जाएगा आपका m square. So 0. So we get y, the range of y, that is limits of y is y equal to 0 to y is equal to m square. Y is equal to 0 to y is equal to m square. And first of all, find area A1 from the curve this. From the curve means from the parabola. Let A1 is the, let A1 यहाँ लिखता हूँ. Okay, A1 is the area covered by the curve, that is parabola. Parabola means x square y, from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to m square. So that is 0 to m square of dy. Okay, we have to integrate with respect to y. Since we are acting along the positive y axis, so we have to integrate with respect to y. So write here x. So this is equal to 0 to m square, and x means the parabola, equation of parabola is x square is equal to y. So x is under root of y. X is under root of y dy. X means under root of y. So we get under root of y means y to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 from 0 to m square. From 0 to m square. Under root of y means y to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. As we discussed in last question, we get 2 by 3, y means m square power 3 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled, we get 2 by 3. 2 by 2 upon 3 of m cube. Okay, 2 and 2 get cancelled, we get 2 by 3 m cube. So this A1 is 2 by 3 m cube. A1 is the area along the positive y axis from y equal to 0 to m square. Y is equal to 0, this one is 0 and m square. 0 and m square. और ये जो कर्व था इसने बना, मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक. This one is A1. Okay, let us find the area covered by the line, that is A2, A वाला. इसको आपने क्या कंसिडर किया? A2. A2 is the area covered by lines, that is y equal to 0 to y is equal to m square, and the straight line passing through the origin, that is y is equal to mx. Okay. सो A2 इज इक्वल टू, A2 को कैसे फाइंड आउट करना है? Okay, so A2 is the area covered by the line that is y is equal to 0 to m square. Here we have to write dy and यहाँ पे x that is 0 to m square dy. x means यहाँ पे x is equal to y by m. ये रहा है आपका y by m 1 upon m. Integral of y is y square upon 2 that is 0 to m square 1 by 2m. 2 into m 2m that is m to the power y square by 2 y और यहाँ रखोगे तो y m to the power 4 we get m cube. m and m get cancelled, m cube upon 2. Okay, so this one is A2. So area A is equal to A1 minus A2. A1 is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 m cube minus 2 by 3. A1 is 2 by 3 m cube and A2 is m cube by 2. m cube by 2, 2 to is a 4, 4 m cube, 2 to is a 4 m cube minus 3 m cube upon 3 to is a 6 that is m cube by 6. So ये रहा है आपका area that is m cube by 6. A is equal to A1 minus A2. A1 is 2 by 3 m cube minus m cube that is m cube by 2. Cross multiplication 2 2 is a 4, 3 1 is a 3, 4 minus 3 1 m cube by 6. Okay, so area enclosed by two curves that is y is equal to x square and y is equal to m of x. That is, so area कितना हुआ? Area between these two curves is denoted by A. A is equal to m cube by 6. Okay.